Can you show me the link screen?
Yeah, a moment. Just a moment.
Okay.
Yeah. I formatted my system today, so I just installed Cypress again.
What?
Maybe we can continue for today.
Why?
I formatted my system,
Oh, so can we
but
continue
I can
tomorrow?
show you my screen. I installed Cypress just few minutes ago.
Okay.
I mean, you can see my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So I will fix this later because I just wrote the code just now,
Okay.
just a while ago. Yeah. So I will fix this and then. But yesterday when I run it, it clicked the red iPhone on it opened another page.
Mm-hmm.
When it clicked it, it opened in a different page.
Okay.
But we can, yeah.
Okay. So we'll also see the different page scenario. Like
Excuse me.
Cypress doesn't support the child tab or child window.
Okay.
So there is one workaround. We'll see that one later on.
Okay.
Yeah. So today we'll see the locator, ID locator. Okay.
All right.
Yeah. I'll share my screen to you. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now in this case, we already selected that one. Uh, using class. You know how to use class, like using dot. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
in case of ID, how we can get select that one. So we'll see that one also. Like uh,
This hashtag.
yeah, hash. Correct. 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 So this one is my Amazon website.
Okay.
Okay. Now if I click on iPhone here, so now see the same phone, the red one. I'll check it out the locator ID here, and I try to open that red one. So in this case, I just check it out ID is there or not. Class is there.
It has no ID.
If this one is class is there,
Yeah. No ID.
no ID,
Only class.
only class. So we cannot take that ID.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll try the another locator. Let me check what happen if I uh, click on this cell button. Yes, cell. Inspect here. Can you see ID? Data
Only
sees
class.
this one is the ID is there.
Okay. Yeah.
This one is the ID is there.
But what kind of ID is that?
Yeah, but I cannot take this one. I just need only
Data.
ID. Yeah,
Yes.
like this I want like this ID.
Yes.
Yeah, this one ID also work. Prime. This ID. Can I take this? I'll take this ID here. now in id, in case of class we use dot operator, correct? But in case of id
Yeah.
you have to choose the hash or pound sign. Yeah, so if we click the prime one, I'll select this id. This one is one of one, this one is unique. I'll go and I'll just use here cy get id dot click force true. Okay, now what I'll do, I don't want this one.
Why are you using false true?
Uh, force true, like what happened sometimes, like if you don't take force true, it also work. Okay, doesn't matter. But the use of force true, like what happens sometimes, the elements get overlapped. So because of that overlapped elements, we cannot the one element get hidden. So
Okay.
to click that hidden one because of overlapping, we use force true.
Okay.
Yeah, so not every time we use force true, but whenever we find that the element is overlapping or is hidden, so we use force true. Okay.
Yeah, I got it.
So what I'll do, I'll just give comment to this. I don't want to input the iPhone or like click. So I'll just write on here the ID locator, and here we use the class locator to understanding clear. Okay. Now in this case, let me check what happened. I go here and just open the test runner.
Hello?
Yes, yes. It will get open. Just wait a minute.
Okay.
I'm sharing a recording now. That's why it's taking time.
Excuse me?
I am recording and sharing now. That is the reason
Okay.
it's taking time.
Okay. Your internet or something. It crashed or something.
Oh, I haven't given command. This was iPhone. This was click. It get crashed. So can you see the prime link get clicked?
Okay.
Yeah. So we get this result here. See prime link.
Yeah.
So in this way we use this ID.
Yeah.
We can also use ID like this. Get div ID equal to or single quote. I can also use this formula. Tag name attribute value.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I save it. Now see here. A. A, sorry. Tag name is A. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I put div here. It should be A. See the prime link get connected. Clicked here. Can you see?
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Now this one is prime is written correct. Prime.
Yeah.
If suppose I want to check the prime name is there or not for this locator. So what I'll do, I'll just uh, remove this. Click here. I'll use then here. I'll write result. Then I use factor operator. I just use the JavaScript concept constant e. E is my variable. I'll write on result dot text. Then I can write here cy dot log e, and I'll check it out what result I'm getting here. See prime. Can you see?
Yeah.
So you can check it out like this prime containing this locator, and if you want to check it out by using locator, that which locator we are using for particular element, so that element you can print it.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, you can explain what you did in the code. Let me
Yeah.
see. Then result constant e. What is e? E is any variable.
Is
Or
any variable? Yeah.
it can be anything.
It can be anything. You can take a, doesn't matter. Change to a, save it. Now check it out.
And what does it do?
Actually, see what happened. See, if you see our,
I understand I
see,
understand cy.get.
I'll
Yeah.
explain you. See, this one is prime, correct?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
I want to click this prime. Okay. So
Yes.
to click this prime element, I've used this locator. Okay.
Yes.
Now I want to check, cross verify that this locator having the element prime or not.
Okay.
So I use then here. Then what is the use of then function here? Like then is giving the result of this locator.
Okay.
We use then result. This contain what element is there for this locator. Okay. Now what we do, once we get the result there, we just convert that result into text.
The result to test.
Yeah, and then we click here. If you want to see what is there in the result without converting to text, so just print result here.
Okay.
You will get the idea exactly what happened in result. What this result contain without converting the text. Okay.
Okay.
See, I get the same result, same locator,
Okay.
nav link Amazon Prime dot nav. This was locator. So what I did, I convert that locator. This result contain this locator. So I convert this locator into text. I get the result prime. So if you see the locator here, for instance, if I showcase you the locator, see here, this one is the link locator, and I want to check the text of this locator. So can you see the text locator? This prime,
Yes.
yeah. So this prime, I want to check whether this locator containing this prime or not.
Okay.
So this is cross verify. So you can also cross verify, you know how, like instead of this one, you can also write down like this. Expect E, this one is assertion equal to prime. I'll save it. I'm getting here error. Let me check where the error is. Okay, okay. Instead of A, I put here E.
Okay.
Expect A. Why this giving 1 second? Huh? Can you use the document, official document of Cypress?
Okay.
You can use check it out this expect. So you can see here all the assertion.
Yeah.
Expect to have to deep. Let me change to 2 equal. See, you got the answer here. See,
Yeah.
this one green color means it's working fine now. So you can just this was expression. Expect means containing the prime uh, text here. We're just checking out this prime is there or not in this locator.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So in that way, you can make one test scenario by which you can use all this text, like all the text having the same spelling mistake or not.
Okay.
Okay. Got it?
You said?
I have said like if you want to check the spelling of this mobile is correct or not. Okay.
Okay. The spellings. Okay.
Yeah. So you can use this express scenario and you can use check it out whether the mobile spelling is correct or not.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So
Yeah.
Joseph, I am giving you an assignment right now by using this same only one, two, three, four line. Okay. This one you have to open this Amazon website, use describe it, open Amazon website using the locators, different locators, and I just want to check it out the spelling of all bestseller in mobile and today's deal should get checked.
Okay.
Can you try?
now,
Yeah,
or
now you
I
can try
do it
right now
later?
because later you will not get time, So you do both simultaneously. You will get perfect. You will get expertise in that.
Or I'll do it later and show you tomorrow because it might take much time. And
Try, okay, don't try.
I will
Don't.
suggest at the end of every class, I will suggest at the end of every class you give me assignment.
Okay.
Then when we come the next day, I show you the solution.
So you get time for the assignment after this class.
I have no choice but to have time for it.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
Yeah.
That's
So you
good.
can teach me whatever you want to teach me, then and at the end you give me assignment.
Okay. So today's assignment is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see this all to
Okay.
electronics? You have to check it. You have to check all the spellings of this.
Okay. That means I need to use before each hook.
You can use this. No, don't
What do you
use
think?
don't use hook here right now. Only use this
Okay.
assertion. Use then
Okay.
result. Convert this one. You have this one. I have shown you just now.
All right. Okay. I will do it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Try it. You will get idea. I know how to do that one.
Yeah, I will do it by after the class.
Yeah. After this class, you can do it.
Yeah.
Good. Good one. Okay. So now this one is your ID. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, do you have laptop?
Laptop?
Sorry, do you have Cypress right now in your laptop?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now what we'll do? We'll try Xpath.
Okay.
Like CSS selector, no, we are using same as Xpath. We have to use.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, when we install Cypress, so by default we get CSS selector. Okay,
Yeah.
not
Yeah.
XPath. For XPath,
Yeah.
we have to use the external plugins by installing it using npm.
Okay.
Okay, so what we do, we'll try to install XPath and have some changes in config.jsn file. Okay, in our system. So I already installed XPath. If you don't have XPath, you can try as I am showcasing you. See here.
I think I did something like that. I installed Xpath somewhere. Let me see.
See XPath in.
Command and E to E.js. Required Cypress Xpath.
Yeah, this one XPath. Go to this one.
Okay.
Just write down XPath in Cypress. You will get the coding. Just use this npm install Cypress. Copy this one.
Yeah, I think I've done that. I installed it.
Install.
Yeah.
Yeah,
NPM.
exactly.
So I have to import it in.
Yeah, exactly. You have to import this one. After installing it, just go to your config file. Like if you see this command js or e2e file, you can see the e2e. This can you see under support e2e
Yeah,
requires
I've
Cypress.
done that. I've done this already.
You done this one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Okay, so like you have seen the CSS selector. Okay, now how to use
Yeah.
XPath here? Okay, so what I'll do, I'll use the same locator by using XPath and I showcase the result here. Okay, so what
Okay.
I'll do here, I'll just you wanna using XPath. Okay, Joseph. Now I'll just copy this
Yeah.
one. I'll paste here and I'll just Q comment to this one. I don't know right now this one. Okay, now in this case for XPath, you need to change to here instead of get, write on XPath.
Yeah.
Okay. Now in CSS selector we write like this, no? But in XPath we have to write like this slash slash a and then at the rate. Okay,
Okay.
now save it and run it. Check it out what happened now. See, get the result here.
Yeah.
So in XPath we use double slash for drag and at the rate before the attribute.
Okay.
Rest is the same.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes.
So this one is the use of XPath.
Okay.
Simple one.
You said this is the
Simple.
simplest part.
Yes.
Okay.
So any doubt as of now, Joseph?
For this, I understand this one now.
Okay, you
Is it the
understand.
explicit or the implicit one?
Okay, good. So now this one is XPath. ID we have covered. Okay. So if I ask you,
What of in a situation
hmm,
where there is no um, ID,
yeah,
what can you do? And you want to use an expert.
yeah. If suppose in the case where you will see like in locator you will find no ID, no class, or like you will find ID in a class, but they are dynamic. Every time there are changes. Okay, every time
Okay.
whenever you're running, they are getting changes. So at that time you can use XPath.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll take with one scenario also.
Okay.
Okay. So in this scenario, what we will do? See, this one is one coding. You can get easily what I am trying to explain.
Yeah.
Yeah. See this coding here. Amazon.length. Okay. So what I will do here, I'll just copy this one and I'll just go to your uh, session. Yeah, this one. Okay, I'll just do command here. I will use this command. Okay. Now in this case, I'll just write on here length. I'll paste here. Okay. So see carefully here, Joseph, what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll just open the Amazon.in. Okay. And I'm clicking like once my Amazon dot open it. Okay. Somewhere there is one element called book. Okay. So that it click on the book. Okay. Like if I take here, if I copy this href, this one if I copy, if I go there and just paste it here and I click here. So see, I get this book. Can you see this website?
Yeah.
So what I am doing, this can you see the book here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now in this URL, suppose the scenario is like my manager told me, or he asked me to verify that this link current URL contain books. You have to verify that this link contain book word. Okay.
Okay.
So in that case, what you do, you just write down like this. You just write on the Amazon and use this link which contain books. Can you see this one? Books. This one is the
Yeah.
link. Okay. Now in this case, you have to check it out that book is there or not in this link. So you use cy.url.
Okay.
Now should include book.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. And another website like address. You have to check this address. Select your address should have length. It should have length 1. This one is second scenario. First scenario is book is there or not in a URL. Second one is the element containing the length. So you use one assertion like should be visible, and you use and contains relative address. This one, yeah, should have length 1. It means that there is one element called selective address. It should be visible and should have length 1. Got it?
And one meaning
Length 1 means only in one line.
okay. One line of the name of the book.
I'm talking about selective address. The book is over now.
What?
The book is over now. The book is scenario is over now. It is up to here only.
Okay.
This one is the second scenario.
For glow ingress.
Select your
Okay.
address. Like in your Amazon website, here somewhere select your address is there. Can you see this one?
Yeah. Yes.
You just checking out this select your address is length is only one length having.
Okay.
So use this one length one. Got it?
Okay. You use this particular one to verify
Yeah,
to
this particular
assert address
yeah.
of
Okay, let me run this one so you get more idea. Oh, see here. So can you see this here? See, the first one is book. It include books. Is working fine now.
Yeah.
Yeah. This green one is all my test cases get passed here. Second one is the select your address. This one. Can you see this select your address? It should have value 1. Value means length.
Okay.
Okay. Now this one, this assertion, if I click this one, so it giving here one, 2, 3, 4 footer is there, and this one is length 1, length 2, 3, 4. Means I'm having the 4 footers having length 4.
Okay.
Okay. Now the next one is I'm having this one. If I click this one, so you can see here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So
What are you? We
this
are
14,
verifying what is
yeah. So
14.
14 means what? Like it telling you like this having the href equal to footer. Those
Yeah.
link containing href equal to footer
Okay.
should have length 14. Got it? So if I take you to the live scenario, if I go here, if I go to bottom here, you can see this one. Okay. If I click here, inspect it. Okay. And I just write on the footer here. Control F, and I just write on the footer. So I just go here and I just want this ahref. Copy this one. I just paste. See how many I'm getting here. This one is 40 I'm getting here. Can you see 40?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm talking about the not all 40. I'm talking about this nav food link accessibility. This one is the
We are
locator.
talking about nav footer link.
Yeah, yeah. Let me check this one. I'll go there. I'll just paste here. See, I'm getting 4 here. One, 2, 3, 4. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now in this 4 footer, or you can say, yeah, in this 4 column, I just want to check it out. How many href containing the footer? So in that case, I just copy this one. The child, this one is my child one, okay? I'll just go there and I just giving some space and I paste it here. Can you see 14?
Yeah.
Got it. If I click here, 14. See 1, 2, 3, Facebook, Twitter, MSL, like this 14 I'm getting here. Okay. Now this one is my parent and this one is my parent, all 4 columns, and in that parent I am having this child href. So that is the
Okay.
reason I have
Let
written
me see the
this.
parents in the
Yeah,
inspect.
yeah, actually, I want to check it out the footer inside this 4 column.
Okay.
Because if I don't take this one, no, if I don't take this one, so I'm getting around 40 footer, which I don't want.
Yeah.
I want only footer containing these 4 columns.
Yeah.
So what I'll do, I've just search the locator for that 4 one. This was the locator
Yeah.
for the fourth, yeah, fourth column, 4 column. Okay, I'll just copy and paste here, give space. So 40C. It search only this 4 column only. Got it, Joseph?
Yeah.
So that is the reason. In this case, these four column locators containing footer, I want to check it out. That's the reason I am using find here.
Okay.
And in that locator, I have to find href. So find always followed by get. You cannot write cy.find. Okay.
Okay.
So this get means this locator. I have to find out the footer. So I write a find.
Yeah.
I am writing the assertion should have length 14th, and I run it.
So if there's any additional footer with that name, it will fail.
Yeah, if I like, if I just put another something, it get filled. Even though if I write 13 years, suppose not 14, and run it. Now check it out. It get filled.
Okay.
Some passed, some failed. All passed except one. This one. To have length
Okay.
of 13 but got 14. This one. So change to 14 now. See, all get passed.
Okay.
Any doubt, Joseph?
No.
Okay, so in this way you can use the assertion and the find should have length 4. Let me know if you have any doubt.
No. For now, I don't have.
Today's date is 4th one, no? We have completed this in 04123. Okay, so what I'm also recording this video, but what I suggest you try this after this class, otherwise you will get confused.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you try, what happened in my class, students simultaneously practicing is, by doing the practical one. But in your case, you are just seeing and listening, so it will difficult for you to grasp for the next lecture, So it is better that you can do practice simultaneously.
Sure, I will do practice. I always do practice.
Yeah, great, great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I work. I always. I have time to study Cypress at least 3 hours every day. 2 3 hours every day.
Okay,
Yeah.
good.
So I like that is my pattern of learning. Like I don't like taking notes while studying.
Okay,
If there is available video, yeah,
okay,
yeah,
okay. Yeah. So,
because it distracts me a lot.
yeah, exactly. Everyone have different kind of technique, to learn to grasp. Correct?
Yes,
Yeah, great.
but if we try my pattern and it doesn't work, then we can change.
Exactly, exactly.
But yeah,
Yep.
yeah.
Okay then, Joseph, you try this assignment also and do practice of this one, second one. So
Okay.
yeah, we'll meet on tomorrow then the same time.
All right.
If you
No
have any doubt, you
problem.
can ask to me. But you do the practice and give. And tomorrow I'll just check it out this assignment. I just want to
Yeah.
have these seven words spelling correct or not. You know that Amazon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay then.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
Bye. Take care.
Yeah. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Mm.